listing system files and adding to the map. In this tutorial video, you will learn to list system files and add them to the map. When we click on My Files in the System option from the File Actions menu on the left menu, the files saved in the system are displayed in the panel. When the button to the right of the saved files is activated, the file is loaded onto the system as a layer. When we click on the garbage can symbol on the right of the saved files, if Yes option is selected, the file is completely deleted from the system. When we click on the Share button, we select the email address of the person we will share with and what kind of authorization we will give. Then the file is shared with the users when the Share button is clicked. We can share system files with multiple users at the same time. We can access the Share button from the Layers option in the Layer box. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to follow us to be updated for recent developments. You may continue to next tutorial video.